How to use Gemini with Google Maps Incredible Updates 2026 Ask Maps Immersive Navigation. Hey everyone and welcome back to today's tutorial. We're going to explore how to use Gemini with Google Maps in 2026, featuring some incredible new updates. With the Gemini AI integration, you can now ask Google Maps questions in natural language. You can also get immersive navigation and interact with your map like never before. This is perfect for exploring cities, planning trips, or just getting around faster and smarter. By the end of this video, you will know how to enable Gemini. You can ask Maps questions, use immersive navigation, and take advantage of the newest 2026 updates. Now, before we start, let's talk about Gemini and Google Maps. We need to understand what Gemini does and how it works. Gemini AI now connects with Google Maps to give you voice and text navigation prompts, interactive route suggestions, real-time updates with local insights, immersive 3D map navigation, and instead of just typing addresses, you can ask complex questions like find the fastest route, avoiding tolls and traffic, or show me the best coffee shops nearby, plan a walking tour of downtown with highlights. Think of it as Google Maps with superpowers. Powered by AI. Now, to get started, make sure your Google Maps app is updated to the 2026 version. You can open Google Maps and look for the Gemini icon, usually at the bottom or top corner. And then you can tap the icon and enable AI-powered navigation. Now, to do this, you can either do it directly from Google Maps. You can just open your Google Maps and look for the Gemini icon, usually at the bottom or the top corner. And you can tap the icon and enable AI-powered navigation. Or you can simply go to Gemini as well, go over to your settings and go over to connected apps, and you're going to see the Google apps. You're going to enable this, or if you see the Google Maps directly, then just connect it with that. Now, once this is enabled, meaning that it's going to show on your Google Map as well. Now here comes the fun part where you're going to ask questions with AI. Now you can type or speak questions like show me nearby restaurants that are open now, or what's the quickest route from my office to the airport, and Gemini will process your request and provide multiple suggestions including route options with real-time traffic, estimated time, and local recommendations. This makes planning trips and commuting much easier. Now one of the newest updates in 2026 is the immersive navigation. Now you can explore the streets even in 3D if you click on layers right here. Now this just gives you a bunch of options on how you can navigate depending on the traffic or the transit, or if you click on more, you have more tools and more options. Now it already comes with the satellite look, but you can also go with the 3D. If you click on the street view, you get the street view, and you can also explore the streets in 3D and preview landmarks and points of interest, and you can see walking or driving paths in augmented visuals. This is especially useful if you're walking in a new city or planning sightseeing trips. You may even rotate, zoom, and tilt the map in real time while Gemini just gives you instructions. Now, Gemini also allows you to save your favorite locations and routes for easy access later. You can simply go over to your save ones, or if you're going to a location, simply save it. Now you can tap the location or route that you selected, and if you click on it, or just a specific location that you want to visit later, you can simply click on it and add it to your favorites. You can also organize them into categories like home, work, or travel, and use voice commands like show me save weekend drives. This keeps your maps organized and lets you quickly access frequent destinations. Gemini now gives contextual suggestions based on your route, like alternative paths to avoid traffic, nearby attractions that you might enjoy, or restaurants or coffee shops along the way. You can also ask follow-up questions like add a coffee stop along the route, or avoid construction zones, and give me the route with the most scenic views. This makes your navigation dynamic and smarter than ever. Some beginner mistakes that you should avoid is not updating your Google Maps because you need the 2026 version for Gemini features. Also, ignoring permissions. Just make sure your location and microphone access are allowed for voice commands, or else you may have limitations and cannot get the best feature of the Google Maps with Gemini. Also, asking vague questions. Be specific, like fastest walking route to Central Park instead of just Central Park. Also, overloading Gemini with too many instructions at once is a very common mistake that beginners make. Break the requests into simple steps or for best results. Now, here are some tips for the best results using Google Maps. First is to use voice commands or use commands for hand-free navigation while driving or walking. Also combine safe location with immersive mode for sightseeing trips, or if you're visiting a new city or if you're just a tourist, then this is perfect. Also explore different route options to compare times and scenery if you have enough time. Regularly updating the app to access new AI features as Google and Gemini continue to improve. Also try asking creative queries like plan a walking tour, visiting 3 coffee shops to see the AI's full potential. The best features you can get with Google Maps with the 2026 update is natural language route queries. Instead of adding addresses, you can just ask Gemini in plain English language, and Gemini is going to understand the context. It's going to filter your request and give optimized results all in one response. You don't need any multiple searches needed. Also, one of the coolest updates in 2026 is the interactive 3D street views, real-time terrain awareness, and landmark previews while navigating. Now, this gives you more initiative sense of direction, almost like a guided tour instead of simple turn-by-turn instructions. Also, it comes with smart dynamic routing. Instead of static directions, Gemini continuously adjusts based on real-time conditions, traffic congestion, weather changes, road closures. If a better route opens up, Gemini suggests alternatives before you even notice a slowdown. Now, Gemini goes beyond directions. It helps you discover experiences based on preferences. You can find the best rated vegetarian restaurants near this route or just near a specific route. You can also ask it to suggest kid-friendly stops on this path. And this turns Google Maps into a travel companion with real recommendations. Now, Gemini with Google Maps in 2026 brings a completely new way to navigate and explore with immersive navigation, real-time suggestions, and AI-powered insights. You can also travel smarter, discover hidden gems, and save time on your daily commute. By following this guide, you will be able to ask questions, navigate dynamically, save your favorite routes, and take full advantages of 2026 updates. And that is how you can use Gemini with Google Maps in 2026 to explore, navigate, and travel smarter than ever. With immersive navigation and AI-powered insights, your trips and daily commutes can be faster, more fun, and stress-free. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.